Howdy all. I made a cheap and practical watch tray to fit my top dresser drawer that you might find interesting. I'm making another one in a week or so that stacks with this one, so expect a how-to video soon. This one is made from 3/16 plywood I had left over, so it didn't really cost me anything. It also gave me a chance to learn how to make box joints and cross-lap joints using only hand tools. These ones are kind of ugly, but since they live in my drawer and never really come out, nobody sees them. Unless some knucklehead makes a video about it, of course. The tray has compartments for 24 watches, and although the watches have to be pretty cozy, they are protected from each other. The wood is soft enough not to scratch the watches, and I left it unfinished as many finishes can react with band materials and stuff. I'll give dimensions in a minute. Until then, please enjoy pictures of some of the watches in my collection while I beg you to help support my channel. Between the stress of the pandemic, selling our house, buying a new house 3,000 miles away in a place we've never been before, and then packing up and moving across country, my YouTube channel got kinda neglected. For the health of my channel, I really need you to like, share, subscribe, and watch my videos. I don't make much from this channel, but the little I do make helps me afford to continue making watch videos. So please help. The tray dimensions are 12 inches by 15 inches by 2 1/8 inches tall. The compartments are a little tight at 2.5 by 1 7/8 inches, so my next one will have larger compartments that will fit fewer watches, but leave more room for each watch. I'm thinking I can keep the watches I wear most often on the top level, saving the mass storage in the tray below. Which means I might have to add some handles. I will put out a detailed video on how I make the next watch tray to help you make one for yourself if you are so inclined. So stay tuned, ring the bell to be notified. Thanks for stopping by.